My people, I want to say, actually, I'm so a very big thank you to Nwanyi Abakaliki. Of course, you know her already. Nwanyi Queen, you know, my cause. Catching on with your money, now the fakest pastor you can think of.
Pastor,
oh, okay, like a tent application on now, but just and when then come and then this is our Bishop name on MC Kwekwe is our brother from Olu. Of course, you know him. Muniana Boteko today. Just that we missed contact, and today we are back for good. So I want to appreciate these good souls of ours. Ufunya Kaineji, Amaki Madu good. For a long time, I've been watching them. I've been watching them, praying that someday I will see them, and likewise them praying that one day they will see me. You know, if you are not praying to see good, good will not come.
Yes,
sure. So because they pray to see good, and me too, I'm also praying to see good because we are meant for each other. Yeah. Without the people watching us, all this stress I know, it will be of no use. So without we coming together to do something to better our productions and then entertain you guys, I don't think no more anything good that will come out of us. And today you can see they came to visit me. I got this from them. My sister here, she has been calling and I have been calling too. I call, she call. I call. When I'm ready, she's not ready. When she's ready, I'm not ready. So by the special grace of God today, all of us are ready. Even I was thinking she's coming alone. When I saw this young man here, I was cojared. I said, wow, I would have asked for him, but I don't want to ask for too much. Even though I should, but then, you know. So I thank you all for honoring me with this gift. I appreciate. I don't do this. I don't like feeling as if I'm the god of the jungle. I am not. But because of Nollywood, you respect people, and that respect will be. Respect is a reciprocal. Respect is a
respect bundo na land Irakle.
Are you serious?
Thank you for watching. Thank you. I appreciate you. Nwanyi Abakaliki and Imo. Yes, I think you've spoken before. Yes, you've said that. Yeah. Wow. Okay, this is my brother then. I don't know why we need on it. Alright, thank you very much. We expect something special, something different from us. Just tune your TV, tune your stage, tune your phone, and tune all together. Tune everything, tune all your tubo. Do whatever you want to do and wait for this very great meeting. We must produce something better. We must produce something better. We are always the productive people, and when God is involved, you produce the best. So we work with God the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit, and He's always directing us to the right path. So today again, I don't think it will be exceptional. It's gonna line up. You trust me. Love you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
You like a wine yesterday, the game match. You know, check a brief.
Imo,
Abia.
this is very early.
This is too early.
Too early for your instinct. You're kind of no too bomb.
You're looking takeaway.
Thank you. Thank you.
One in town. Is it pregnancy gown or kind of? No balance. Oh, female.
Yes,
I know Iko Deme Foundation. You can see we are still celebrating. Are you getting it? Yes. So we are still in the spirit of celebration. Yes.
Charity.
Project Mount.
Benevolence.
Project Mount.
Project Mount.
If you are not anticipating, you are a failure.
Yes, sir.
Go and follow their page now so that you'll be updated.
Yes, sir.
Anytime I actually email anything, give you updated. Follow it.
Because if you're not following them, because you would have gotten the update on time. You know, you would have gotten the update on time, and you are not also following us because we are announcing it.
Yes.
And we keep on announcing. We are.
But we have more opportunity.
Yes.
More opportunity. Just follow our page, the Ike Odeme Foundation. You get everything you want. All the updates.
What's the name of the page again?
The Ike Odeme Foundation.
Again.
The Ike Odeme Foundation.
Again.
The Ike Odeme Foundation.
Again.
The Ike Odeme Foundation.
The Ike Odeme Foundation. That's the place to be. That's the part. If you're not following that page, it's like we are missing heaven. Follow that place so that you will be updated because a lot is going on.
Yes.
A lot has happened and a lot is still going on. A lot will still happen in the future. Yes. So if you want to be a partaker, if you
Please
know.
show them. Can you just stand
Oh my goodness.
show what Mama gave you?
Look at it. It is written on my breast.
Not chest.
Oh, chest. Chest. It was written. See, I'm the Ike Odeme Foundation.
Yes, sir.
On Facebook, Project Mount.
Yes, sir.
On Facebook and on Instagram. Follow them now so that you get notified anytime we're about to, because a lot is in stock for all of us.
Yes,
it is a place that when you belong to that very family, you keep on. Yesterday I saw some women shedding tears of joy. Honestly. Some youth were giving 500,000. I was like, is it real? Just beside me, they had
100 million.
100 million yesterday. 100 million naira. And you are here asking me for sewing machine. Every day, even on my page. A day, I need a sewing machine. Please help me, my family. Since 4 years in
Something Ike or the Net Foundation will just give you within a 2 years.
like this. You are following a wrong page. All these people you are following. As little bit machine and dish draw some doctor. There is a follow them. Everything are now go for. So many people were equipped yesterday. Some are going back to their business. Some women were giving 100,000. About 200 women yesterday were giving 100,000 naira to start up something. We were.
Another one. We have another package.
Okay.
The Ike Odeme Apprenticeship Hub. Yes. That one,
just like an empowerment.
not even empowerment.
Skill acquisition.
Skill acquisition. You just come and register. Just go to the page. Because we have from now to, we have a month to select this one. We have a lot: mechanical, hairdressing, carpentry. For anything you want to, we group them. I give you accommodation, everything. Yes, we give them accommodation. We pay them monthly for about 1 year or 2 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, wow. Give us your own wow. I know. You have heard from the horse's mouth. This is not a joke. It's not a comedy. This is pure fact. Just go on that page and see the already done. Then give us an rush now and follow this page. Then you smile later. God bless you.